Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're opening a TCGP Jujutsu Kaisen box. Okay guys, for our first box is purple. Please Gojo, please Gojo. Nanami, Maki. Yuta. Not bad guys. For our first pack, not bad. Second pack. Another purple. Sukuna, not bad. Nobara, Tadori, Nanami, Maki, nothing. Third pack. Nanami, Nobara, Nanami, Tadori, nothing again. Nothing again, bruh. Please, give me something good. Tadori, Nanami, still nothing. Bro, please give me something good, bro. Nobara, Nanami, Nobara, nothing. Purple again. Please Gojo, please Gojo. Toji, nothing. Bro, please Gojo. Bro, I need Gojo. For God's sake, bro. I need Gojo in my life, bro. Nobara, nothing. Bro, please. Dang it, bro. I need Gojo. I opening 1,000 packs, bro. Nothing Gojo, saying Gojo, seeing Gojo parts. For our next box is nothing again. Bro, please, bro. This is insane, bro. Nothing in the box. Nothing in the box. Okay. Bro, please give me something good. Okay? Give me something good. Purple. Okay. Geto. Nanami, Maki, Sukuna again. Bro, please, Gojo, bro. I need Gojo. I need Gojo, bro. Please give me good, something good. Nanami, Maki. Bro, nothing again. Please, bro. Give me something good. Nothing again. Nanami, Maki, Nobara, Nanami. Bro. Nothing again. Last pack. Itadori, Nanami, Maki, Nobara. Nothing. Next box. Okay, next box. For our next box, third box, guys. This is our third box. Oh shit, nothing again. Bro. What are you doing here, bro? Please, give me something good. Bro, please. Purple. Please, Gojo. Nanami, Tadori. Toji again. Bro. Are you serious, bro? I think I curse, okay? I don't get Gojo in a single pack or single box, bro. I spent almost 10 bucks. Nothing. No Gojo sign, bro. Please give me. Bro, I'm begging you, bro. Please give me Gojo. Okay, please give me Gojo. I I think anchors or what? Please give me Gojo, please, please, please. Please. Nothing. Okay, port box. Port box. Please. Please, bigay mo na siya. Please, bigay mo na. Port box is Maki, Nanami, Maki, Nobara, Maki. Nothing again. Ow. Holy. Oh. Oh, nothing. Nothing again, bro. Please. I think loose pack is good. Megumi, Maki, Nanami, nothing again. Wow, please give me something good, bro. Just give me one chance. Give me one last chance to get Gojo parts. Chat, please give me something good, chat. Megumi, bro, nothing again. Last pack. Bro, nothing. Oh, last pack. Okay. Okay, for our fifth box. Fifth box. The fifth beginning box. Okay. Nanami, Geto. Nothing again. Nothing again. Okay. I'm serious, bro. Please give me Gojo right now, this day, right here, right now, bro. Please. Nothing again, bro. Please. I'm begging you, give me Gojo, please. Megumi, nothing. Sometimes I'm thinking if I will continue this vlog. Okay? Unpacking this box, bro. Losing me. I can get Gojo. I can get Gojo, bro. I'm serious. Okay? Last pack. I think nothing again. Geto again. Oh, as always, our 6 box. Okay, this is the 6 box. Bro, please, 6 box. Nothing. Please give me something good. I guess nothing this pack again. Ay, 6 bucks, nothing. Please, Gojo, please, Gojo. Nobara, Nanami. Yuta again. As always, nothing. Nobara, Nanami, Maki. Always Nanami, Maki, and Nobara. What else? Nothing. Just Nanami, Nobara, Maki, Geto, Megumi, Itadori, Toji. Nothing. Okay? Please give me something good. I spent 7 bucks. I guess 6 bucks. Bro. You did not get any, bro. Please. Our last pack. Give me lucky. Oh bro, nothing. Thank you for watching guys. Keep like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless. Don't expect too much. Nothing.